Hey IELTS community, welcome back to the channel. Guys, in this video, I'm going to provide you the prediction for IELTS writing task 2 for 29 June and 6 July IELTS exam. Let's have a look at the question types that we are going to cover. Basically, in this video, I'm going to take questions from different categories like health, social issues, government, etc. So you will be getting questions from each category, and those questions will help you get an abundance of knowledge that you can use to generate ideas in real exam also. So questions from these categories can appear in your real exam. So let's start with the first category, which is social issues. Question number one is, some people think that parents should teach children how to be good members of the society. Others, however, believe that school is the place to learn this. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Moving on to the second question, in many countries, young people are finding it harder and harder to find permanent jobs. What is the reason for this and what are the possible solutions? Let's move on to the next category, which is education. Question number one, some people believe that all students should be required to study the same national curriculum until they enter college. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? The next category, which is health. Question number one from it is, many countries are facing increasing health problems due to fast food consumption. What are the causes of this trend? What solutions can be offered to solve these issues? Question number two is, the government should spend more money on medical research to protect citizens' health rather than on ensuring people have a clean environment. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Guys, before moving on to the further part of this video, I would like to make an announcement. If you are preparing on your own or need help with the writing evaluation, you can get our one writing evaluation for 400 rupees a month, or if you want it for week, then it's for 150 rupees. So there will be daily questions provided, a lot of real exam material will be shared which repeats in exam. So if you are interested, do let me know on Telegram or Instagram. I will definitely try to reach out to you soon. Let's move on to the topic of jobs. Question number one is, some people think that job satisfaction is more important than job security. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Question number two is, nowadays many people have to move to other countries for work. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this for an individual and for society? Science related questions are, question number one, scientific research should be carried out and controlled by government rather than private companies. To what extent do you agree or disagree with this statement? Question number two is, advances in science and technology are seen as the biggest reason for people's lives becoming easier. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The next question is from technology category. Question number one is, some people believe that the internet has brought people close together, while others think people and communities are becoming more isolated. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Question number two is, technology is making communication easier in today's world, but at the expense of personal contact, as many people choose to work at home in front of computer screen. What are the advantages and disadvantages of this? Let's talk about the category of law. Question number one is, some people believe that a country becomes more interesting and develops more quickly when its population includes a mixture of different nationalities and culture. To what extent do you agree or disagree? The next question is from same category. Some people think that strict punishment for driving offense are the key to reducing traffic accident. Others, however, believe that other measures would be more effective in improving road safety. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Let's talk about category of government. Some people believe that the government should provide free healthcare for all citizens. Others think that citizens should be responsible for their own health cost. Discuss both views and give your opinion. The next question is, in some countries, the government spends a large proportion of its budget on public transportation, while in others, the majority of the budget goes to building roads and highways. Discuss both views and give your opinion. Let's talk about environment category. Question number one is, many people think that too much attention and resources are given to the protection of wild animals and birds. To what extent do you agree or disagree? Question number two is, some people think that the best way to solve environmental problem is to increase the prices of fuel. for cars and other vehicles? To what extent do you agree or disagree? So these are the questions that you must prepare so that you have ideas for different categories, and this will cover almost all the categories, and that will result in having ideas. And in real exam, if you will encounter any questions from these category, you will not have to struggle. So best of luck for your exam, and if you need any kind of help regarding IELTS, you can always reach out to me on Telegram or Instagram. I am always there to help you through your IELTS journey. Best of luck.